Hi, welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, we are going to be looking at creating numbers as objects. Okay, so that's not something you'll ever want to use in your real world programming, maybe in some advanced programming if needed, but it's always good to know how to do these things, right? We already looked at how to create your strings as objects. Remember in an earlier lesson, we did that. Let's do that with numbers as well. So it's very simple. It's similar to how you did it with your string. You're just going to say let a is equal to, or any variable is equal to new. So you're creating a new number, right, as an object. So new number, and inside of that just give you a number. It could be any number. It could be just 5 as well. It could be minus something. It could be minus 2. It could be 0. It could be a fraction. Any of those things, okay? But just create your number like this. And let's also create another number in the usual manner and give the same value, okay? Same value 5, like this. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to check the type of both. So if I do it like this, type of A plus type of B. I'm going to give a comma in here so it's separated properly. If I refresh, there you go. The first one's type of A is actually an object, and the second one, type of B, is actually a number, a proper number normally created. So this is how you can create your number as objects. So both of these have the same value, but the type is very different. Okay, so that's how that works. So also, as you know, as we saw with our string, objects, even if they have the same value, are still considered as different types. Okay, I'll show you examples of all of these things so you understand them better. For example, if I do a console.log of is A equal to B, that is A and B of the same value, you're going to get it true. But on the other hand, if I say is A strictly equal to B, that is, are A and B of the same value as well as the same type, in that case, I'm going to get a false. Now that's because one is an object, the other is a number. But on the other hand, even if both of them are objects, okay, and they have the same value, like this, if I do something like this, okay, and if I do a strictly equal to operation on both of these, which are both objects right now, because if you want to check, see, right now both are objects, but I'm still getting a false. Now that's because even though these two are objects, they are still two different objects, okay? And according to JavaScript, every new object created is a different entity, okay? It's completely different from the other object. So even if they have the same value, this would be considered as a different type from this, okay? So that's why you're not getting a true in here. Alright, so that's what I wanted to talk about in this lesson. So I want to talk about creating numbers as objects and how they compare with the normal numbers that you create. Okay, so that's it for this particular lesson. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.